Tootsie gang, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. So today we will be reading Animals in Winter with Baby Sage. Don't mind him, he's teething, so he likes to chew on stuff right now. So let's go ahead and get started. This book is by Henrietta Bancroft, Richard Van Gelder, and illustrated by Helen K. Davey. All right, let's go ahead and start. Animals in Winter. Oh, look at that picture. That's pretty. Ooh. The days grow short, the nights grow long. It is getting colder. Winter is coming. Leaves have fallen from the trees. There are no berries on the bushes. Insects are gone. The grass is dead and brown. Look, there's a pumpkin. And look, they're throwing leaves into the air after they rake them into a pile. And look, yeah. Look, there's a scarecrow back here. Wow, yeah, it's a pumpkin. Pumpkin. All right. Yeah. Birds with other animals are getting ready for winter. Some of the birds will fly south. Bluebirds and orioles go towards the south. They go where it is warm and sunny and where there is food for them to eat. When spring comes, the birds will make the long journey back north. They migrate. Look, the birds are migrating. Yeah, see the sunflowers. Yeah. All right, ready? Turn, turn, turn. Some butterflies migrate too. This is what the monarch butterflies do. They gather. You like those You like those butterflies? Yeah. Say butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Yeah. They gather in a tree by the hundreds before cold weather comes. They stay in the tree all night. In the morning, they fly toward their winter homes in the south. Yeah, look at that. Okay, turn, turn, turn. Good job. Many bats fly south too, but some bats, you want to look at the butterflies? Yeah. It's a butterfly. Butterfly. Okay, you ready to turn? Turn, turn, turn. Many bats fly south too, but some bats stay in the north all winter. When the weather gets cold, they go to a cave. There is no wind or snow in the cave. The bats sleep there all winter. They do not eat. They live on fat stored inside them. They do not move. They hardly breathe. They sleep, sleep, sleep. They hibernate. Look, bats. Hold on, Sage. Woodchucks hibernate too. When fall comes, a woodchuck eats and eats and eats. He eats grass, twigs, and leaves. He grows fat. When it gets cold, the woodchuck crawls into his long tunnel and goes to sleep. Look, this is where the woodchuck sleeps. Woodchucks hibernate too. No, all right, long tunnel to sleep. So here's the sleeping chamber and the tunnels. And he even has a toilet chamber. Interesting. December, January, February, March. Does he sleep for a day? Longer than that. Does he sleep for a week? Longer than that. A month? Even longer. A woodchuck can sleep as long as 4 months. The woodchuck seems hardly alive. He breathes very slowly. His heart beats slowly. He sleeps, sleeps, sleeps. He hibernates. Some animals do not have to hibernate. They gather food and save it for the winter. That is what the pika does. A pika looks a little like a rabbit, but with round ears. Pikas live in the high mountains where winters are long and cold. They eat grass. In summer, they cut more grass than they can eat. They spread the grass on the flat stones. The hot sun dries it. Look at him gathering grass, and then he lays it there to dry it out before taking it in to his little home. By the end of the summer, a pika may have gathered 50 pounds of grass. She hides it under rocks in winter. She eats the dry grass, and it keeps her alive. Oh, look at her in there eating. And all the snow on the outside. Squirrels gather food too and save it for the winter. They dig holes in the ground. They bury hickory nuts and acorns. When winter comes, they dig them up and eat them. Sometimes squirrels forget where they buried their nuts. Trees may grow from the nuts that the squirrels forgot. Yeah, look, he's eating the acorns that he buried in the fall. Some animals do not get ready for winter at all. They do not store food. They do not hibernate. They do not migrate. They must hunt for food all winter long. There are mice that must hunt all winter for seeds of goldenrod, asters, and other wild plants. Sometimes they eat farmers' corn, oats, and wheat. Look at these little mice. They ate through this burlap sack and they're eating, eating, eating. And look at that cat. Cat is watching the little mice. Deer must dig in the snow for dried leaves, plants, and moss. When the snow is deep, they must eat the twigs, buds, and bark of trees. Look. Here's the deer in the snow. Sage, look. Deer. There's the mama. And there's the dada. Look, there's a buck. Can you see his antlers? Sage, look at his antlers. Yeah. Antlers. Yeah, deer. The rabbit must hunt under the snow for bits of grass and plants. When the snow is deep, he too eats the buds and bark of bushes so he could stay alive. Yeah, that's a bunny. A bunny rabbit. Look at that rabbit. Yeah. Uh-huh. Ready? Turn, turn, turn. In the winter, the fox hunts for mice and rabbits. This fox has discovered a mouse in its tunnel beneath the snow. Yeah, and then he pounces right on the little mouse. Pounce, pounce, pounce. Eventually, the days grow longer, the nights grow shorter. It begins to get warmer. Spring is coming. Yeah. So animals in winter. I hope you enjoyed this story time with us. We hope you are happy, healthy, and safe wherever you are in the world. And we will see you on the next one.